If you are seeing this video, it is because you are looking for your phone. Once again, I welcome you to this channel. My name is Stanley and this is my channel. Please, if it is your first time to come across my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it to your friends and family so that it will help them find and also recover their lost phone. This video is a step-by-step and a tutorial on how to recover a stolen phone, how to find your phone when you misplace it, and how to locate your phone anywhere you keep it. Now let us dive into the video. When your phone is open, just as my screen is now, you can see my phone is very open. After turning on your phone, as my own is now, slide to your applications as this one is. Now quickly click, scroll and click settings. Once your settings open this way, you are seeing from my screen here my phone, network and internet. You are seeing connected devices. You are seeing apps and notifications, app updates, battery, display, screen navigation, theme and lock screen, sound, storage, privacy, location, security, accounts, smart panel, social tumble, action and gesture, game mode, accessibility, digital well-being and parental controls, Google, XOS Lab and system. Now go to privacy. Scroll here and click privacy. If you are looking for your phone, so just click your security here. Once security open, just as this one is, once security open, you are seeing from my screen here Google Play. You are seeing find my phone. You are seeing security updates. You are seeing Google Play system updates and other options at the downside. Now click find my phone. When you click find my phone, allow it to load and open just as this one is. Now it has opened. Now you are seeing here find my phone want to work. Reason is because location is off. Yes, I turned off my location because I'm not looking for any phone. At your end, you can decide to turn on your location. You can decide to turn it off also. Now when it shows you, you are seeing here ways to locate your Android phone or your Android device. Now click find my phone. Find my phone. When you click it, it will show you whether you want to download the app, because there is an app you will need to download from the Play Store. It will show you if you want to download from Play Store, you want to download from Palm Store. Remember, if you don't have alternative Play Store, app Play Store, then it will go straight. Now click anyone you want and click just now. Allow it to load. It will open Play Store. You are seeing the app here. You are seeing the app. You are seeing Google Find My Phone. Now, if you are interested in downloading this app, just click install. When you click install, the app will load. But I want to cancel it here. I want to cancel the download or the installation because I don't want the app on my phone. So, if you download it, you follow the screen and do the necessary setup that might be required you of when you have the app on your phone. Now let us go back to the other place or to the other window. Now there is another option here where you can find your phone through web. Now you have to visit android.com/find my phone to find your lost phone. Click on it. That is the second option. Allow it to open. Very soon it will show you what you are looking for. Just be patient with it. You don't need to rush it. Now you are seeing on my screen here, you are seeing my phone Infinix Hot 9 Play. You are seeing it has shown many things on this screen. You are seeing all the map on the screen. You are seeing Nigeria, you are seeing Kano and other places. Now how do you want to find your phone? If you want your phone to ring, maybe you misplace it in your room and you want to find the phone, just click it. If I click it now, it will play sound. Click it. It will play sound. Allow it to open. So if you want the phone to ring wherever it is, you just simply click sound here. Click sound. Now play sound. You see, it has played sound and I have stopped the sound now. So if anybody is helping you search for the phone, that is how it will ring wherever the person is carrying the phone. You get it now? That is how it will ring. You get it? So you are seeing on my SIM here, Infinix Hot 9 Play, and you are also seeing that the location of this phone is off. So make sure that before you start looking for your phone, that your location is on. So in case you don't know when your phone will lose, you can simply always put your phone on, turn on your location always. You're seeing here that my phone, allow it to contact the device wherever it is. Now you're seeing that my phone has 56% of battery. So that is the same way it will show. Now if you don't want it to play sound wherever it is, that you want to lock the phone, that the person that stole it may not access it, now click secure device. When you click it like this, it will show you these things where you will put your message. It is optional. You can decide not to add any message. Where you will add your phone number. That is to say, when the person is carrying the phone, if you call him, if you call that your line, the phone will ring wherever it is, but the person cannot access the phone. Now after inserting the phone number, you click secure. I supposed to put it here to show you, but if I put it now, my SIM will go blind and I cannot record this video again. So after adding the recovery message or the phone number, you click secure device. Then it will lock wherever it is and the person will not access it. Wherever the phone is, it will lock. The person will not access it. So if you don't want to follow this process, you can follow the next one. Let's go back. Now you can follow that of web. Sorry, I removed it. So allow it to open, please. Just be patient. You will find your phone. So when it is like this, maybe you don't want to follow this secure device now, you can decide to use enlarged device. So wherever the phone is, if you use this one, wherever the phone is, it will clean everything. So everything on the screen will be cleared when you use secure device. When you use enlarged device. For instance, now you click it, allow it to load and open. Now it has opened. Now you see here, hi, Amechizim TV. You're seeing it now. Now to continue, first verify is you. You will have to add your email here. I don't want to clear my phone. I don't want to delete everything on my phone. But that is the same way you will make it work. You just have to add your email address. After adding your email address, then you continue. You will click next here. When you click next, it will continue and everything on that phone will be deleted. Even if you could not recover your phone, the person that has it will not have access to your information. So that is how it works. So if you don't want to follow that way, you can, let us go back to the previous page. Now if you don't want to follow that process to do it, you are seeing here, search find my phone. Now click here. It will ask if you want to use Chrome or you want to use Google Go. It's still the same process with that of web. So that is how you can find your lost phone without stress. So if this video is useful to you or you find it helpful rather, kindly like it, share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to tell us at the comment section what you think about this video. If you need any other help, don't hesitate to let us know. Until next time, remain focused and remain secured. Thanks for watching.